How to verify yourself on Faceit. Hello everyone, my name is Mal and in this video I'm going to show you how you can verify yourself on Faceit. So you should follow the steps for that. Make sure you have correct internet connection on your device so that you won't be disturbed while verifying your Faceit. So for that you need to go on your preferred browser and search for Faceit there. After searching for Faceit, open it. Now if you want to verify, then tap on verify for free as well. And after tapping on the verifier for free, you can simply verify it. So the steps or some methods how you can verify is you can verify only using one account, and the verification cannot be transferred to the another account as well. So how you can choose to verify yourself is you can choose how to verify your account through either document capture or face capture. That is coming soon as well. So the choice is yours. Both options are encrypted, secure, and just take a few moments to complete. All you'll need to do is smartphone and original documentation if you choose document capture. So free capture coming soon will be regular rechecks to maintain verified. You can either firstly scan QR code. After scanning the QR code, you need to take a selfie. So after taking a selfie, you need to scan your ID, that is your document. After scanning the ID, you can simply get verified as well. So this is how you can get verified on Faceit. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. You can also choose this option for verifying yourself. So this is how you can do it. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.